I think it's a real human need to feel clean, and it also makes you feel cared for. So the very gentle sensation and the end results make it incredible. I'm Tracy Carr. I work as an independent patient advocate, and I'm passionate that as a community we get more involved in healthcare so we can be more proactive in looking after ourselves. I think it's vital that that happens. There's a lot of stigma around the stereotypical person who is larger and doesn't have good personal hygiene. So it can feel that in the very first instance you're already fighting against prejudice and discrimination. Bathrooms, etc. aren't always set up for plus size people to be able to safely and comfortably deal with their personal hygiene. And in-bed hygiene is very difficult because of the process of, beds are larger, bodies are larger, mobility might be limited. So there's a lot of challenges in personal hygiene for bigger people. I've had a couple of hospital stays and I've only once had a bed bath. But my main recollections are that it took a very long time, the bed got very wet, and it didn't feel particularly dignified or comfortable while it was happening. You're also dealing with a situation where the water is getting colder by the second, which is really unpleasant. Generally speaking, the community said they love the feeling of being clean, that hygiene is really important to them, but they hate the intrusive nature of a bed bath. It's just one universal piece of equipment that works for everybody. When I actually got a chance to try it, I was astonished at how little water it actually takes to have a beneficial effect and to feel clean. And the thought of being able to have warm water that was the same lovely temperature from start to finish, that could be adjusted by the person doing the care procedure, was amazing. And it just feels like a really gentle massage. So as far as I'm concerned, it's magic, but the fact that it's so simple to use, that you can empower the patient to help with their own hygiene, nurses or domestic staff could easily understand how to use it, is fantastic. It delivers exactly what I want, which is to have a quick, easy process that leaves me feeling cleaner and comfortable. And clean and comfortable means that I've got more confidence, that I'm more likely to want to mobilise, to want to address rehabilitation needs. It's not only good for my physical health, it's good for my mental health to feel that my independence is coming back and my overall health is improving. So it's a real innovation. Washing with a bowl and a sponge, I really do think in this day and age there has to be a better solution, and I think this is it. Just the chance to feel clean without too much intrusion, with consideration of my dignity. Yes, I can't recommend it highly enough.